Bryan, so I get these calls on a pretty regular basis from somebody saying they're from Google, and they mention that they can get me the top of search rank. What do you think about that?
Okay, so you got a call from someone from Google. Google does not call people. Listen, only if you're working with their small business ads team program, or if you're an enterprise customer and you're working with their ads team, that's when you're going to get a call from Google. Otherwise, if someone's calling you and they're telling you they can get you to the top of Google, it's not Google. What happens is these people actually, they're kind of bending reality a little bit. What they're really doing is they are a partner of Google. So they sell AdWords, or they might sell placements of ads, right? And so they can say, we're with Google. They're not supposed to. They're supposed to say, we're a certified Google Ads partner. So that's number one. Number two, if someone's calling you and it's a robo-call, it does not sound like a real person, but it's saying, your listing has not been verified, or we can get you to the top. Just ignore it. I tell people all the time when I present at Google's Get Your Business Online workshops and events, just ignore those calls. Hang up. Because those are not people that are out to ethically build your business. They're out to unethically take your money. Finally, the big thing is this. In order to grow in search rankings, there's no holy grail. There's nothing that's going to help you just shoot up to the top of Google besides putting in the work. You have to develop content, whether it be written content, images, whether it's videos like this. You also have to make sure that you have good local SEO, that people know how to reach you if you're a local business, a brick and mortar store or a service-based business. And you have to make sure that you are maybe getting links from other companies, and you're linking to other companies, you're linking to articles and getting links from articles. So you're building your link structure and strategy as well. That's going to help you show up. And finally, the longevity of your site. How long has your domain been around? How long has your site been around? Those things play in as well. Ultimately, it comes down to this. There's no way for you to shoot to the top of Google. Just absolutely no way. Because if there was, then everyone would do it. And guess what? You'd be back at the bottom of Google. So when you get those calls, just hang up. Here's to your success. Hey, thanks for watching. You know, Bigger Better Biz is dedicated to equipping you with the tools and know-how to grow a bigger, better small business. It all starts with you. So if you enjoyed the video, please click like below. Feel free to ask questions in the comments. And if it's not too much to ask, subscribe to the channel and click that bell, because you'll be notified every time we have a new video to help you grow that bigger, better biz. Here's to your success.